Now, with news that Hurricane Elsa is to pass close to and impact eastern parishes, residents of Portland are preparing for the worst. A tropical storm yesterday, a hurricane today. The rapid development of Hurricane Elsa has residents in Portland tracking signs and updates.
I watch the news and I follow it and things, and it kind of in one part away, but it can turn anytime.
A lot of wind and rain, and the sea getting higher and higher.
Devastation from previous tropical systems are fresh in most persons' minds, and so they are on edge.
Because I've been through a few storms already, so I'm hoping for the best for this one.
Member of Parliament for Western Portland, Daryl Vaz, says while agencies like ODPEM have not started major hurricane response protocols as yet, he has initiated some measures.
I think they're watching for a little while longer and watching the responses from the Met Office. However, as Member of Parliament for West Portland, I've already started from yesterday to do some proactive work in terms of cleaning some drains, some main drains.
He says the MP for neighboring East Portland, Anne-Marie Vaz, has also returned to the parish to initiate drain cleaning and other preventative measures. But in spite of those preparations, Mr. Vaz is calling on residents to help themselves.
There's a lot that you can do to help yourself. You live in communities, you know the drains, you know where they're blocked, and it is going to you that is going to be affected. So would be a good community effort if persons within those communities try and do some own preparation on their own and not wait on government only and solely.
But from what we have heard, the residents are way ahead in that regard.
What we've been doing is applying hurricane straps. We have guys down there working right now. And we're moving things off the ground, free moving stuff, things that can blow away like chairs and other equipment.
Well, I start to button down my window already. I still have more things to do, still. But I believe say it comes, so I prepare myself, you see.
Well, I'm on the coastline, so as soon as the tide gets in high, we have to move out. I'm not fretting, no. We just have to leave everything in the hands of the Lord, yeah?
In addition to battening down, others have filled their tanks with water, preparing for the worst.